Hey, welcome. I'm about to sand some small pieces, but I don't have my sander is broken. Can't find the piece, so I have this 12-inch disc. So I'm gonna see if I can make it into a sanding disc for my circulars or my table saw. I'm gonna reduce it with this bushing. It's a 1 inch to 5/8 bushing, and this will help me to be able to put it onto the saw. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut all the teeth off, and then I'll get back to you so you can see how I do the rest of it. Now I just made this line as a reference so I don't cut too far into the blade. And what I need for this is a cutoff wheel and a grinder, and compass not really necessary. I just use it to guide me here, but you can always freehand it if you don't have a compass. Okay, so I figured that I need to clamp it on the edge of on the corner of my workbench. And as you can see, I got a few of the teeth off, and now I'm gonna keep going. So here we have it. All the teeth are gone, and now I'm gonna get it perfectly round on the table saw. Now since this have a 1 inch hole right there, I have my 1 inch to 5/8 bushing that I'm gonna drop in there and connect it to the saw and then get it perfectly round. So I'm taking off the blade right now from my table saw to put this other blade that I'm going to be using as a sanding disc. And all I got to do is drop it on there and just slide it on. Now I'm putting on the last nut. Well, I have some stabilizer here. Not necessary, but I have it, so I'm just using it. So I've changed the cutoff disc or cutoff wheel, and I put a grinding wheel on. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the saw on, let it run, and then have the grinder and the sander go. Well, the grinder and the table saw going, and that will help me to get a perfect circle. I'm gonna do it for a little bit, and then I'm gonna just show you the finished product. So I started. As you can see, it's getting better. It's kind of rough still because I didn't cut out all the notches out of there, but as I grind it, you'll see. Let me do it a little bit so you can see. So it's still a little rough. I'm gonna just keep doing that for a bit until it's perfectly round. Just a little bit more and I'll be done with that. So I got it perfectly round. I clean off most of the rust off of it. That way I can glue the sandpaper onto it and start sanding. Here I have some 50 grit sandpaper. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna glue it onto this with some contact cement. I might put a 32, I think this is, yeah, 36 grit also. This is probably an overkill, but sometimes I need some aggressive sanding, so I'll do one side with this one and one side with the 50 grit.